into the corner.
Onan Hagol. It means one and all. From clay pits, churches, crumbling cliffs, to old tin mines and standing stones, from sandy shores to barren moors, there's no place quite like home. And yet, no place is the same without the people who make it, the hands that have grafted, crafted and shaped it, the lives that are lived here, the voices, the faces, the moments we share, and the memories created. It's our need for communion that brings us together on mud-covered pitches in all sorts of weather. We meet to make history.
A proud day for this club.
To cheer and compete, to celebrate victories and mourn our defeats. So we know what it means to belong to a tribe, to lock arms with others, to stand side by side, to kick every ball, kiss the badge, filled with pride, and with hearts on our sleeves, fly the flag far and wide. So these stories of glory and of trials overcome will provide us with idols to inspire the young and remind us of heroes, both known and unsung, of good times we've had and good times to come. Join us on our journey, a quest to lay foundations, to bind and bring together with the spirit of a nation, two teams with sights set on one goal, to inspire and unite. Onan Hagol. Visit our page at crowdcube.com for more information about how you can be a shareholder in the Cornish Pirates and Truro City football clubs. For one and all.